Hi guys, and welcome to a new video, and welcome to the channel if you're new here. This is going to be a short video showing you how to reset the TPMS light on a 2016 Toyota Aygo. And although I'm showing you this on a Toyota Aygo, it will be the same process on many different makes and models of vehicle. You've had this light come up on your dash and you're wondering what it means. TPMS stands for Tyre Pressure Monitoring System, and it is doing just that. It is monitoring the tyre pressures. So when you initially fill up your tyres with air, you need to store the starting tyre pressure so that the system knows what pressure it's starting at, and if it measures a differential over time or it notices a sudden drop in pressure, then that light will ping up on your dashboard. So to reset it or store the tyre pressures, we're going to go in the glove box on this model, and there's a set button. So make sure your tyre pressures are all good and you haven't got any punctures. Go in the glove box and then you can set or store the tyre pressures. So push and hold this button until it clears the light on the dashboard. It will flash a few times and then it will go out. And it's as simple as that. Now the tyre pressures are stored in the system. If it notices a drop in pressure, that light will come back up on the dashboard, and then you'll want to check the tyres again. I hope you found value in this content. If you did, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel if you're not already subscribed, and if you hit that little alarm bell and set notifications to all, you'll be notified when I post new videos. I've got loads of videos on the channel now, so please feel free to check it out. You might find something useful in there, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Cheers guys, bye for now.